Hi children, welcome to Narayana live classes. Today's assignment for class 10th, assignment number 9, electromagnetism. In that first question, how can you find the strength of the field and direction of the field? How can you find the strength of the field, magnetic field? Strength means number of field lines passing through any assumed cross-sectional area or assumed area. If the field lines strength is more, that means number of field lines are more, then the field strength is more. Suppose if these are the magnetic field lines. These are the magnetic field lines. For example, I am giving. Then what is the at a particular point? What is the direction? If you draw a tangent to that curve, this is the direction of magnetic field. If you draw a tangent at this point, this is the magnetic field direction at this point. That means the tangent drawn at the curve gives its direction. Okay. Next question. Can we give certain values to magnitude of the field at every point in the magnetic field? Yes, we can give the values for a particular point in a magnetic field. If the field is uniform, for uniform field, magnetic field strength value is constant, a fixed value. For example, 2 Tesla, magnetic field is 2 Tesla. Everywhere inside the field, at any point, this is the value that is fixed for uniform magnetic field. Whereas non-uniform magnetic field, that means the field produced by a bar magnet. Field produced by a bar magnet if you take the if I take a point at here, if I take a curve or a area, small area I have taken at here, then how many field lines are passing through that? That gives its strength. If I take the point at here, then only 1 or 2 field lines are passing through. That means the strength is varies. So for non-uniform magnetic field, we are unable to fix a particular value of magnetic field strength. Okay. Next question. The value of magnetic field induction which is uniform is 2 Tesla. Given magnetic field strength is given 2 Tesla. What is the flux passing through a surface of area? Cross sectional area vector is given 1.5. Next, perpendicular to the field. Perpendicular to the field means theta value, that is aerial vector is 0 degree. Aerial vector is 0 degree. Then what is the flux? What is the flux we need to find out? Then what is that formula? Flux, magnetic flux is equal to B bar dot A bar, that is equal to BA cos theta. That is equal to B value, how much is given? 2 Tesla into A value 1.5 cos 0 degree. Cos 0 degree value is 1. So 2 into 1.5 into 1, which is equal to 3. Unit of magnetic flux is Weber. Unit of magnetic flux is Weber. So 3 Weber is the magnetic flux. Next question. Draw the pattern of magnetic field lines produced by a bar magnet. Take a bar magnet. One activity number 2 and 3 is there. No, in that activity, bar magnet placed on a sheet. Now by using a compass needle, follow the arrowhead. You will get the magnetic field lines from north to south. Outside the bar magnet field lines are north to south, and inside the bar magnet south to north are the magnetic field lines. Okay, so this is about today's assignment. Hope you understood all. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.